Welcome back. It's another day at autocross and another chance to make this car a little bit faster. In my last race, I increased the rear camber to -1.5 degrees, and I started to use a lot more of the inside of the tire, which was good, but I still had to run 42 psi in the tires to keep the sidewall from rolling over on the outside of the tire. So the tire is highly inflated and might be kind of donut shaped, where it touches the ground may not be very flat. So I'm going to try to increase the camber and lower the pressures a little bit. Here's my best run of the day, and then I can show you the results and the effects on my tires.
Go!
Let's see if I close the gap on any of these faster cars. Out of 95 drivers today, I placed 37. So the first car we're looking at is a Subaru BRZ. He placed 21st, and last race he was 6% faster, but today, only 2% faster. So he took a nice chunk out of his lead. Then we have the Toyota MR2, which is in the same class as me. He placed 17th and was about 3% faster than me last time. This time, still 3% faster, so I haven't been able to gain on him. Then we have a Mazda Miata that placed 6th overall. He was 8% faster than me last race, and today, only 5%. Another nice chunk. Then we have a Tesla Model 3 that placed 3rd. He was 8% faster than me last race, and today, 7%, so a small gain of 1% there. And finally, the overall quickest car was an Eagle Talon. Last race he was 10% faster, and today, 9%. So this is very encouraging that I'm catching all these faster cars, at least by a little bit, each race with these changes. For a relatively big camber change, I didn't use that much more on the inside of the tire, but I was able to lower the tire pressures by a couple PSI, which is good. All in all, my times are improving, so I'm heading in the right direction. However, I won't know the limit until I go a little bit past it, so I'm going to need to increase this a little bit more to see where I'm at. Be sure to check out my other videos, and thanks for watching.